Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Age of Empires on Xbox. First, make sure your Xbox console is connected to the internet. Then, head over to the Xbox store to purchase or download your preferred Age of Empires title. Once installed, simply launch the game from your dashboard. I highly recommend starting with the in-game tutorial. It's a fantastic way to grasp the fundamental controls and initial gameplay mechanics, setting you up for success. Navigating Age of Empires on Xbox is quite intuitive once you understand the controller layout. The left stick is your primary tool for moving the camera around the map and selecting individual units or groups. Meanwhile, the right stick allows you to rotate your view and zoom in or out for a better perspective. Pressing the button brings up your build menu, and the radial menu helps manage resources and unit production efficiently. Building a thriving empire is at the heart of Age of Empires. You'll need to gather 4 key resources: food, wood, gold, and stone. Start by constructing economic buildings like farms and lumber camps to ensure a steady income. Train plenty of villagers. They are crucial for resource collection and building new structures. As you accumulate resources, you can advance through different ages, unlocking powerful new technologies and units. When it comes to combat, strategy is key. Aim to create a balanced army, combining infantry for frontline defense, archers for ranged attacks, and cavalry for swift assaults. Always consider the terrain. Using hills for defensive bonuses or forests for ambushes can turn the tide. Regularly scout enemy positions to anticipate their moves and prepare your defenses. Don't forget to research military upgrades to boost your unit's strength and abilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.